Hello my dear friend, this is Junie. Today I bring another notebook review, and as you can see the thumbnail, it's from Maisie Lane Co. Maisie Lane Co is a pretty young brand, and the owner Taylor launched the first 4 notebook designs in 2020. The special thing about it is that the cover can be customized to the words you want with several font and color options. This notebook was sent to me for free, but it won't affect what I say and how I think, so I'll share my honest opinion with you guys in this video. Taylor also kindly sent me some pretty washi tape, which I'll show the swatch to you a little bit later. So first of all, let's finish the unboxing. The notebook comes in this thick paper box with no logo, perfect for storage, or you can just recycle it. There's also a really thoughtful gift in this box, which is a transparent ruler with both centimeter and inches on it. I personally like this little gift a lot because I'm used to centimeter, but in the US, everything is in inches. And now let's take a look at the notebook. There is some information about the journal on the wrapper, which I'll go through one by one later. And on the back, it says Dream, Plan, Create. The one I chose is called Garden Sienna in A5 size. Right now, Maisie Lane Co has 18 different colors in A5 size and 4 in A6 size. Each design has a unique detail design on the book spine, and there's nothing on the back. The cover is made with vegan leather, pretty soft and smooth, but it did have a little bit strong leather smell when I first received it, probably because the package was exposed under big sun and hot temperature outside of my porch. The weather is extremely hot in California this summer, but by the time I do the voiceover, it's pretty much gone. Right now I'm showing you the hand holding flower icon on the spine. It's gold foiled and looks even better under natural sunlight. As for the customized letters on the cover, there are 4 color options: white, matte gold, silver, and black. I got matte gold, and just to let you know, since it's matte, it won't be as shiny as the icon on the spine. But it still looks really pretty in my opinion. Then for the font, there are 6 options: Adventure, Dainty, Dreamy, Dyslexic, Cursive, and Serif. You can also choose to do 2 lines with same or different fonts if you like. Okay, now it's time to take a look at the inside. On the first page, it just simply says, "This journal is loved by blank," which I found really cute. And on the bottom, it has the brand logo on it. After that, it jumps right into a dotted empty page. This notebook is using 160 GSM semi-smooth white paper. The dot grid is 5mm and there's no page number. So this notebook has 192 pages, and on the back there's a pocket for storing stickers or extra papers you like to carry around. There's also elastic closure in the same color of the cover, and there's no pen holder on the side. Then for the bookmark, it comes with 2 in bright orange color made with satin. This notebook uses live fly binding style, which means it should live fly just like the name. And I would say it works pretty good, except a few places where 2 booklets needs to be glued together, but that's very common pretty much on all live flat notebooks, and I'll consider as a minor. You can use a paper clip or binder on those pages while using if it bothers you. Before moving to the pen test, here I want to quickly show you a simple comparison. From the bottom to top, there are journals from Notebook Therapy, Art and Olive, and Maisie Lane Co. There's not too much difference, but I think Maisie Lane Co is slightly wider. Finally, it's time to do the pen test. The first section I'm going to do are liner pens and brush pens, starting with Sakura Pigma, Graphic, and Brush. Then Tambu Fudunasuku brush pen, and also Zebra ball pen and Uniball gel pen. One thing Maisie Lane Co highlights is that the paper is great for using fountain pen, which I forgot to include here, but I'll add in a little bit later. For now, let's move on to colorful markers. Here I pick Crayola Super Tips, Arteza brush pen, Tombow dual brush pen, and Arteza acrylic marker. Except the last one is basically opaque pigment. The first 3 I also try repeating 3 to 4 strokes overlap, as you can see. By the way, I'm not going to test Sharpie or Acrylic-based markers because they're not designed to be used on regular paper, and we all know they're going to sink through even though the paper is 160 GSM. The last part of the test is paint. I tried Paul Rubens solid watercolor with different amount of water and also did a gradient practice. I think the paper can hold it pretty well, not absorbing the water too quickly, so you can do watercolor drawing on it, But remember to control the amount of water you use because after all, it's not watercolor paper. Besides the regular watercolor, I also tried glitter version, which usually needs more water to active, so I want to see how the paper handle it. The next I'm using gouache, also with different amount of water. I don't own acrylic 2 pigment, but the result should be similar to the acrylic pen I just did. And finally, I'm adding in this fountain pen test. It's really easy to write on and there's no feathering. Now let's check the back. No ghosting, no bleed through. The paper works pretty well with most of the supplies I tested on except the dent from where I tried watercolor and gouache, obviously because I used water and it's inevitable. But after the pigment gets totally dry, it looks better. Of course, it also depends on how much water you use. Overall, I think the paper is doing a pretty good job. The watercolor are vivid and no feathering, as well as the liner pen and the fountain pen. And the writing experience is pretty smooth. The paper can hold on multiple layers of water-based markers, so that's good too. I pretty much tested all the pens and supplies I have, but if you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comments. And now I'm going to quickly share the washi tip with you. Maisie Lane Co has more than 30 designs in their shop, including basic and pattern ones, and some of them are unique original designs. The size is 15mm by 10 meters. The price is $3 each except the number washi tape, which is $2.50. Then for the price of the notebook, the A5 size is $25 and B5 size is $29. To add their personalized cover, it will cost an additional $7. The owner tailor offers free markup before you place your order, so if you're not sure how it looks like, you can email her to see the sample. The shipping fee varies depending on where you live. Domestic shipping within the U.S. is $6.99, free shipping over $40. Shipping to Canada and Mexico is $12 and free shipping over $65 purchase. And then for other countries, it will be $15 for international shipping. And if you only purchase washi tape, it will be $3.99 for domestic and $8 for international. I hope this review video is helpful for you, and if you decide to make a purchase, I prepared a 15% off coupon for you. I do have an affiliate agreement with Maisie Lane Co, which means I'll get a small amount of commission fee while you get a better deal for your entire order. And that's all I want to share with you in this video. I also have review videos on other brand notebooks, so if you're interested, you can find the links in the description box down below. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!